I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrator access and the exact app name. This matters because some tools require elevated rights. Once done, turn off protections that lock system apps or block uninstall, and remove device management profiles if present. Next, force stop the app, clear cache and data to prevent restart loops, and try uninstalling from settings. You perform these steps now to rule out simple permission and state issues before moving to deeper removal methods. Now you escalate with targeted tools. Connect via ADB and run uninstall commands, or use the package manager to remove orphan packages. This removes non-standard installs. If the app is pre-installed, uninstall updates and disable the package, then delete residual files from data and cache directories so it can't reinstall on boot. Once done, boot into safe mode to verify removal without third-party interference, and scan with a reputable tool if the app resisted, because that's to finish. Reboot the device and check running services and storage to confirm the app is gone and no background processes persist. If traces remain, reset app preferences, or, after you back up data, perform a factory reset as a last resort because that removes system-level persistence. If something goes wrong, make sure to capture boot and package manager logs first. They reveal why uninstalls failed and guide next steps, so save logs before sweeping resets, and you'll know what to fix next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.